Madam, I think I'm picking for a job. How come I'm not picking a passenger with my children? I don't want this job to be discriminated. How come?
Oh, but no verse, man. No verse for me, I beg. Eh? Now the same place she dey go. Now this road here. My knee is the program, I beg. Eh? No verse. No verse for me, I beg. 150. Enter. At 200 naira, we run a move. Next time, at 200 naira, you go pay.
Princess, I hope you have everything you need.
Yes, Dad.
And your assignment?
That is the first thing I have in my bag.
Good. Let's go to school. Huh?
My man, what's up?
Hey. How you doing?
Good. Well, I'm in no place. What's the problem?
I'm in a situation. And for the first time in my life, I'm lost of ideas.
Oh, is there something you want to talk about?
You see, my wife, she, you know what, let's not stress ourselves with this story and talk about something more important. How did your meeting with the commissioner go?
They are ready to play.
For real?
They are ready to play.
How did you convince him to do that?
Of course, I told you. It's my field, of course. So I met them and all far they couldn't resist it.
That's what I'm talking about, man.
We are in for a serious business, bro.
Thank you so much for handling this.
You're welcome.
This is good news. Finally something to be happy about. We need to celebrate this.
Exactly.
Man.
So, what do you have here?
Any available job, she gonna do it. Which kind wife be this? She not get time for fashion. She not get time for makeup.
That will come.
She don't get time for fashion. She not get time for makeup. I'm very supportive. She there also for herself. Nchedo. She's always busy.
You see this Keke?
Yes, madam.
I won't make you wash her. Do you hear me?
Okay, madam.
Wash her well. Make it clean. I want to see my face for this Keke.
Okay, madam. Okay.
What's the tire?
I go do am.
Watch the tire very well.
Oh, ma.
See this? This is my company. You know now. It's my company.
No, madam.
So wash it. After go down the road, buy air freshener, hang them. I want me this Keke, they smell sweet.
Okay, madam. Madam, money for the air freshener. No.
I suppose get.
You don't come out everything, man. You do your pocket.
Now.
Sorry, ma.
She not get time for fashion. She not get time for makeup. She there also for herself. She don't get time for fashion. She not get time for makeup. I'm very supportive.
Hey, Felix, what's the problem? Yeah? Talk to me about her and your mom, remember?
It's my wife, Nchedo. Today, I practically walk around town with my head buried in shame. I mean, how do I explain this? How do I explain that a respectable man like me with all the money that I have has a wife chosen to drive Keke as her business? I mean, I do everything for the street. I give her enough allowance to make sure she has enough, more than enough. Why is she doing this?
I don't understand. So of all the business she can actually venture with, it's driving off Keke and baby.
Exactly my point. She lacks absolutely nothing.
You're ready to talk to her about it. Just make her see reasons.
Bro, I have. My wife wakes up very early every morning to take some other kids to school, ignoring our own daughter. I do school runs every morning and evening because my wife has chosen to do that for other kids for peanuts. Bro, I'm seriously tired of this. I'm sick and tired of this attitude. I give up already.
So why not engage in a conversation with her? I mean, a heart-to-heart conversation. Look, every home, every family have its ups and downs. I have mine. Right? Well, this thing can be fixed. Huh? Just calm down. Have you tried talking to her family?
Hello? Mama. Hey, Mama, no vex, abeg. No vex for me, abeg. I just rush come house to make I find food chop. And I sleep carry me for where I just chop finish. Abeg, no vex. Abeg. I dey come there now, I dey come home with you.
See your face. See. By the time I lose this 1,500 naira, you'll be very sorry. I'm coming, I'm coming. Pack this again very well, eh?
Okay, ma.
Bring the key, come upstairs.
Oh, ma.
Hold it right there.
Welcome.
Princess.
Princess, go to your room.
Waiting. Allow me go in. I don't tire.
Nchedo, I need you to think about this marriage. Okay? I want you to decide what you want. I'm giving you from now till the end of tomorrow to give me feedback. If you want this marriage, it has to be on my terms. I tell you exactly how it's going to be. If not, then fine, you can leave. Because I'm sick and tired of your irrational behaviors. I'm tired.
He never reached like that now. What thing I don't do now?
That Keke business has to stop in this house. Henceforth. It must stop. And I'm not joking.
Is this what this drama is all about?
I know, go stop. Oh. I love this business. It makes me happy. Felix, you know, son of the woman was able to stay one place. I love to hustle.
Nchedo, if you want to hustle, you hustle like every other woman out there and not Keke. Leave that business for men.
See, I can tell you. Hustle na hustle. You don't get any kind of hustle where you go say, this one na for man, another one na for woman. Eh? Hustle na hustle. The most important thing be say they bring money.
Can you just stop this thing you're saying, Nchedo? Can you stop? I don't need that bloody money. I can comfortably take good care of my family. Yes, I can. Listen. I want you to think of any business. Alright? Any business a woman can comfortably do. Any calm, cool business. And I promise you I will fund it. Okay? I will support you. And not Keke. Please. And I'm not playing. I'm talking and you're still chewing that thing. I don't like it. You have to brush and you're still using chewing stick up and down. Where do you learn all these things from?
You say make I think. I dey think because you don't tell where I don't dey think. Say I want to expand this my Keke business. So if you want support, make you help me buy more Keke. Make I put for it.
Nchedo. Are you okay upstairs? What are you doing? I'm not joking. I'm not joking.
Me say if I did serious, I'm not a joke. Husband, we marry me. They make a place I go rest. I don't tire.
My God. What have I gotten into?
Oh, I'm tired. I want to sleep.
Baby, I want.
We want to what? Not tonight. I'm so tired, eh? Pity me now. Pity me. My whole body aches.
Nchedo, why are you always doing this to me? Why are you always tired whenever I come to you? Who told this? Eh? You are my wife. You're supposed to perform your duties as my wife. What do you mean you're tired?
I'm your wife. Yes. I'm supposed to satisfy you. You're right, too. But I am tired. Don't worry, tomorrow we'll go do it. Eh? Except you want me to faint or die in the process. Understand now.
What is there to understand? There's nothing to understand here. Nchedo, I am sick and tired of your excuses. You're really pushing me out. You're pushing me out. You're seriously pushing me out, and trust me, you're going to regret it. You will.
Wait. What in our coming? I'm pushing you out. Try first. Oh, so you want to follow all these small girls? Eh?
Nchedo, don't put words into my mouth.
There's nothing like putting words into your mouth. I heard you loud and clear. But let me tell you, if you try it, I will kill the girl, then know what to do to myself. If I will kill myself or go to jail.
Are you threatening me?
No. Mind yourself.
Listen, I was just joking. Okay? I was joking. Baby, please.
What kind of an expensive joke is that? Eh? What kind of a joke is that?
I'm sorry. I said I'm sorry. Okay? Our daughter is old enough to have siblings already. Let's give her some siblings now. Let's give her 1, 2, 3. I mean, you never can tell. Let's just try something tonight. If not, please. Eh? This thing is full. Please. Darling, please now. Just small. Small.
How much money complete today?
My drama. They vex you.
And my business one day give me play. My money complete.
Yes, it complete.
Come. Okay, come, please. Next. Lisa. You know, see, I'm only remain 5,000 naira for last week. Plus this week only. 35,000 naira.
Sure. But my 30K here, I will take those ones with them now.
Musa. Next person on me. Hello. I will collect my head today. And this your small brain, this is you want you to deceive me. After all. Answer. Come. Wait. Where? Come. This one they give me and they wrong. You complete? Wait,
You don't consider a bit.
That's what I read. Adam.
You know, say me, I know they do like that. Anytime they can do like that.
That's interesting.
Mama, no level though.
Abraham.
Mama. Maybe you are no bad. No say, like a kid for mechanic. Since 3 days I never work, Mama.
Abraham, I want my money. Period. Where my money?
So, may you give me small time, make I see a few days small money.
You don't use me to pay too much. Because of saying you come from the same village. Abraham.
Mama.
Meet my gate man. Drop my head.
Mama, I never used like that. I be your boy, you. Eh? No say they work hard. You just give me small time. Just small chicken time. Make I see I go feel it when give you now.
Nothing like Mama. Just give my gate man my food. Period.
Mama, be your boy. You are just loyal to you. Make just give me small time now, Mama. I beg.
You hear me? You see smile on my face? I feel like who they smile? I simply give my gate man my food. Please step at the street. Give her my key. Next person I beg. Don't come.
Oga, no parking space, so Madam Convoy don't choke everywhere. No parking space at all.
Which kind wife be this? She She no get time for fashion. She no get time for makeup.
You see the nonsense happening here? This is what I go through every time in my house. Go, just park here. Huh?
My husband is back.
What are these people doing in my house? Huh? What's the meaning of this now? All of you get out of my house now. Get out! All of you get out!
Now they get out. There's someone that come out.
No, let me finish playing.
Will you stop that nonsense? What do you mean by that? Monday!
Get
Get out of outside! Outside! All of you, now! My friend, move outside! Outside! Let's go! Outside! Let's go! Let's go! Hey! Outside! There! Outside! My friend, are you slow? Out! How do we close this? Okay, come here. The next time I see this in this house, you lose your job.
Yes, sir.
Lock that gate!
Sir, what of madam? Madam, follow them.
Are you mad? You see the one that employed you? Can you imagine this fool? This is what Nchedo is turning my house into. Huh? A Keke park. She has turned my house into a Keke park. I cannot take it anymore. No, I'm done. I'm sick and tired of this, bro. I'm tired of it. I can't take it anymore. I can't relax, bro. I can't. What's all this?
It's okay.
Nothing is okay. I said I cannot tolerate this anymore in this house. I'm done taking it. I'm not going to take it anymore.
If you are talking about it.
Of course I am talking about it. I'm talking about that Keke and I want it to stop. I don't want it in this house anymore.
I can't though. I can't. It's not possible.
Did you hear that?
Nchedo, Felix, I think you guys can actually talk things out.
I am the man of this house and I want that nonsense to stop. It has to stop. It must stop.
I want it.
What?
It is what I want to do.
What?
I have always been a hustler, even before we met. I was even doing worse. I was following Tipper to Riverside to pack sharp sand. Was that not how we met? We came to your side to supply sharp sand. That was how we met, and you said you liked me. You liked my hustling spirit.
You didn't tell me about this one. Can you go come back and go?
Yeah. So what's your name again?
Nchedo, sir.
Nchedo. You're a very hardworking lady.
Thank you, sir.
Most beautiful ladies like you, they either sit at home idle, doing nothing, waiting for a man to pay their bills, or go for a luxurious trip.
Not me, oh. I started hustling when I was 10 years old. I can't even stay idle. I'll just fall sick.
Oh, wow.
And I like making my own money.
That's good to know. That's good to know. Very good to know. I like you. I like your spirit.
Thank you, sir.
I hope you know who I am.
Yes, now. Now you're going to get this place. Now you get money, oh.
Yes, that's the evidence of hard work. Yes, one of these days you get to hear my story.
I pray make I still get money too.
Of course you will. Of course you will. Right?
Yeah. Good afternoon. Nchedo, where they go now? We'll get 2 trips more to go.
Okay, Oga, they come.
Not let me wait for you again.
Hold on. Why don't you just give me your number so I get to call you?
Okay. Oga, they come, oh.
Yeah. Alright, bye.
I did not call him, oh. Now he come, they pursue me before I can say, okay, make I marry you.
Even at that, even at that,
This is not the life I wanted for you now. This is not the life I want for you. Or are you not tired of suffering? Suffer no dey tire you? Don't you like the baby girl lifestyle? The fly to Turkey, fly to whatsoever place. There's some beautiful, nice places. No, I don't get. What are you? Are you a witch? No, because I don't understand. I've put this girl on salary. I've tried to do everything nice for her. Even the good things I bought from Turkey, she doesn't wear them. Instead, she prefers to dress like a motopark tout. Why? Why are you stressing my head like this, Nchedo? No, why?
Felix.
Why are you doing all of this to me? Do you know how I wake up every day and imagine what you're going to look like? Oh, God.
Relax your mind.
Alright? I'm talking and she's walking out of me. Can you see what she's doing? I'm talking and she's walking out of me.
I want to take you to somewhere nice so that you can cool off your head. Have a bottle of champagne and cool off.
Relax. Alright, let's go. You saw I should walk out and see.
Can we talk?
Please, if you're here for another complaint, I'm not interested. Just go back to your room, please. I need peace in this house.
Why are you treating me like this? What does a man want from his wife that I don't do for you? I buy and cook your food. I clothe you. I give you money. Ever since you lost your job with the bank, I've done everything to keep you comfortable. Okay, I was thinking maybe we'll sell some of the things in the house. So we'll gather money to start up something little for you.
Sell what? God forbid. You are such an evil woman. Oh, now you want me to sell all my properties, Abi? And then you now run, start laughing at me with your friends. I know your plans. I should sell my properties. The only thing I have. You see what I'm saying about you? You're just useless. Being useless ideas. Sell my only property that I have.
Okay, fine. Let's think of something else.
Hey, now you're talking. Sometimes use your head. You have to be creative. At least if you have a boss now, I can move now from Lagos to Onitsha. They'll fetch out money for us. Or better still, we open a provision shop here. Things are moving very well. At least I can take care of my needs. You think I'm happy like this? So many things are going on in my life right now.
A boss? Where am I supposed to get that kind of money from? My parents are tired of helping me with money issues. I cannot go back to them.
How would you not get tired? You keep spoiling my name, telling them bad things about me. Normally, a woman would shade her husband in trying times like this, but yours is not there. You are just a disgrace. You are useless. You go there, you tell them, nah, I'm not really doing my duty. And then how do you want them to respect me? Mary! Stop all this your crocodile tears. I'm used to it. I promise you, you will cry for the rest of your life. Just look at me. Yeah? For me bank manager. Hi! Chimo. Hi! For me bank manager to an unemployed man that has nothing. All because of you, this woman. Hi! I don't want to see you again. You hate me so much.
So, apart from this, is there any other thing?
Nothing else.
You know, I have to tell you this. As a friend, there is no good woman out there. Look, the bed at hand is far better than 20 in the forest. You see all these Gen Zs out there, they have nothing to write home about. Nothing. They are all liability. Right?
This is a very serious issue to me. Very serious.
So I think all you need to do now is get someone she respects. I mean, talk to someone she respects. Her parents, her pastor, or even your own parents. I believe she'll listen.
Well, thank you, Ndo. I would rather speak to my pastor and his wife. She respects them a lot. They are godparents.
Good.
And what you said about nothing outside but liabilities is actually true.
Exactly. Once you open your mouth to talk to them, they will build you straight up.
Yeah.
20K, urgent 2K. I'm hungry, you know?
I want to meet
sort of
my
nonsense.
hair. Yeah, the devil you know is better than the angel you know.
Exactly. Maji.
Oga, no be waiting you tell me be this so. Eh? No be waiting you tell me be this. See where I can't drop you now.
Hey, young lady, what's the difference between here and there? What do you mean?
Oga, now where would they use run and not be peace? You go try to day straightforward with people. I beg.
Are you talking to me like that? Are you crazy? Do you know who I am? Or you think I'm one of those your fellow Abudu you could talk to anyhow? You better be mindful of the way you talk to me.
Well, I don't even want to know who you be. I beg. Just give me my money, make her they go. No, they talk to me anyhow, no insult me. I be person wife.
Then your husband must be a fool. Only a big fool to get married to someone like you. Fellow Abudu, you're meant for the street. Very stupid.
Okay, I beg. Now me and you, they talk. No involve my family for this matter. No involve my husband or family.
So you don't know I'm somebody's husband too, Abi? And then you're talking to me disrespectfully. Or do you think I'm your mate?
I beg. I don't even want trouble this morning. Just give my money, make her go.
Take it.
Okay. My money is 700 naira, not 500 where they give me. Not 700 naira.
I guess you're not ready to walk. What's the difference between where I entered, from where I stopped, and where you were supposed to stop me? If you can't take this 500 naira, fuck out.
Eh?
Yes.
I beg. You place the respect what they give you, not like them. You not like this respect what they give you, Abi? Complete my money.
Come on, get her from here.
Bros, complete my money now. Complete my money.
You just touch me. Ah! If you take Keke woman like you're touching me.
Complete my money.
Oh, mad. Oh, because I will. Ah, my head. Ah. Fuck. Hey, somebody help.
You won't?
Ah.
Yes, what is it? I'm very busy at the office. Make it snappy. What? Is he alive? What police station is that? B Division. It's alright, I'll be there shortly. Yes. Alright.
Just stop. Stop! What in God's name is wrong with you, Nchedo? Have you not disgraced me enough? Did you see the look on their faces when I told them that you were my wife?
But what is wrong in making an honest living?
Everything! Everything is wrong. Can't you think like a woman for once?
I'm sorry. But that serves the stupid man right. Next time he will not bully women. I'm sure that's how he's maltreating his wife at home. Are you leaving? My love? My love? Stupid police people that will not mind their business. If person thief now, they go parade the person, label am criminal. Now, to drive Keke has become a man's job. I will not buy into that nonsense, so I will not buy that nonsense. Women hustle, women. Money no get gender. What happened to you? Were you involved in an accident? Did that robbers attack you? What happened?
Evil woman, your plans have failed. None of your evil plans will materialize. You are a devil. Go and tell the co-host that you won't see me. You won't find me. You think I don't know? You are the ones. You're after my life. Ah, God. Ah.
Sorry. Can I at least get you something to help ease the pain?
Get you. Ezigbo madu. Get something. You think I don't know? You have time me. You have my life. Leave me alone, woman. I want peace. Useless woman.
Sorry.
Get out.
I just want to help.
Leave me alone. Do you want to kill me? Is this not enough?
Okay, you need medicine.
Yes, come in. Mommy.
Good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Thank you so much for coming in such short notice. Please, sit. What about Daddy?
Daddy couldn't make it. He went for pastor's meeting. So he insisted I come along.
Oh, it's alright. Meanwhile, thank you so much for the love your family has been showing to my family. We truly appreciate.
Thank God.
Yeah. What can I offer you?
Water is fine.
Alright.
And where is your wife?
She's not back yet. Mommy, I know it's no longer news that my wife drives Keke around the city. I cover my face in shame every time I go out with my friends. I'm so ashamed of myself. She has succeeded in rubbing mud on the name that I took so many years to build. I'm tired.
I understand how you feel.
Mommy, do you know she has become so popular that every time we go out together, people point at her as the female Keke driver. Some time ago, the bloggers tried to post her story, but I had to spend a whole lot to make sure the story doesn't fly. I don't know which way to go, Mommy.
When is she coming back?
She'll be back anytime. She knows the people who are supposed to be here.
Okay. But one thing I will tell you is that there is no problem with that solution. Everything will be okay by God's grace.
Thank you very much, Mommy, for your words.
Thank God.
I pray this gets better. I don't want to lose my wife. I love my wife so much. At the same time, I want her to be a better person. Let me get you water.
I was on my way coming back here. I can't see one passenger wey say she dey go GRA. I say make I run am sharp. Now I don't they come back. Hold up, come me for traffic lights. I don't reach here since.
It's okay. It's unfortunate I'm on my way home. I want to go and prepare dinner for my husband. But I really want to discuss with you.
Hey. Okay. Make we talk now. Hey, now waiting go take so much time.
No, not at all. Your husband brought a complaint to us as your spiritual parents.
Mama, I know what this is all about. But let me ask you, is there anything wrong in making an honest living? Making my own money?
No.
My husband wants me to become a full-time housewife. And I can't. I no fit. I'll just fall sick. He makes me a hustler. I love working hard. I no fit. I can't change you. I can't.
Nchedo, your husband doesn't want you to be a housewife. He simply doesn't like your line of business because of his personality.
See this business, they give me business. I don't know why they neglect this Keke business. I dey make better money for this business. I have up to 15 Keke where they give me return every week. Hey, now I don't fit.
Okay, let's do it this way. Why not continue with your line of business? But you have to stop driving. Give it out to drivers
pay you maybe weekly, monthly, as the case may be. No, nah. No. I love driving. See, Mama, I don't daydream of this business. Stay, even before I marry. I no go fit stop to the drive. No. Instead, I go leave this church for now. Nchedo, has it got into that? This is pride talking. I don't know why nobody wants to understand me. I am tired of explaining. What you just said is wrong. And listen, you have to put God first in all that you do. Whether business, family, money, etc. Who says I don't put God first? Of course I put God first for everything what I do. God is here. God is in my heart. And I pay my tithe. This is not about tithe. Make I go drop you. Why is that for me to go drop you? Nice don't they reach. I say you won't cook for your husband. I will come to you. Okay.
I don't like
Which one? Number 3?
Yes.
Were you not taught in school?
What they taught us in school is different from what they give us assignments.
Take it to your daddy, I'm tired.
That is this.
My friend, take it to your daddy. I don't understand that question. I don't go university.
Princess, bring it here, let me look at it. It's okay.
Pray. You see, I said take it to your daddy. Because daddy is very intelligent. Me, there's nothing in this my head though. Only how to count money. I know.
My friend, will you stop that? Just listen to the kind of thing you're saying to your daughter. Huh?
What is there to hide now? I no go school. I no sabi. Now only hustle, like sabi hustle.
Princess, listen to me. You must study hard in school to become successful in life. Right? Good.
Well, it's good to study. It's good to study. But school does not determine that you will be successful in life. It's diligence. You must hustle, work hard, and do not allow anybody to talk you down, no.
My classmates say my mother is a Keke driver. And they always make fun of me. And I don't like it.
Princess, come. Pay attention. I'm going to serve the mouth for you while you do the rest. Okay? So listen attentively.
I am your wife. How do you live in the same house with me, yet you won't let your body touch mine, let alone touch me as your wife? Why are you treating me like a stranger? What is going on?
What is going on is that the charm you used forcing me to marry you has expired. My eyes not open now. I can see beyond. You are just a useless, big for nothing. You are of no use to me.
God knows I did not use anything on you. I didn't use anything on you.
Swear! Swear you didn't use anything on me. Swear!
I did not.
I can't even afford a bottle of anything. See my life. When you're here, go gonna sex. That's the only thing inside your head. Other guys are there enjoying themselves, their wife are doing open businesses for them, doing good things for them. Your own, all you know is about to have sex. I'm tired, please.
Disturbing you for sex every time.
That's all you know. I never knew you were like this. I don't even know how I ended up with someone like you. Matter. Just occupy space.
Babe, it's me.
Please, I beg. Shift. What? Come on, shift. Charlie, man here. There's someone.
One thing I want you to learn is do whatever that makes you happy. You do not need anyone's validation to do whatsoever that makes you happy. Look, your classmates can laugh at us, but the good thing is we are still rich. And what we can afford, most of them cannot afford it.
But why are you driving Keke for a living?
Because it makes me happy. I love doing it. And it puts money in my bank account. Mommy does not need anyone's money to do anything she wants. You know why? Because she is financially okay.
Why can't you not do something else? Like boutique, office work like other people's mom?
Princess, I am different. And I am not other people's mommy. I am your mommy. And all I want from you is your support. Will you?
Princess, are you ready? Let's go. Okay?
My love, let me drop Princess today.
Okay, for the time.
My Keke?
What? God forbid. My daughter. Princess, let's go before the mommy kills you. Come.
This was the one to speak to you.
Hey, Nupogo, Ogabutiane. Now, what is it? Calm down. Don't be upset, Biko. See, you know what? Come over, let's talk about it. It's not something we'll talk on phone now. Bia? Huh? Come over. I was praying to go to the market, but as it stands, I will tell Ijoma to go and get things from the market. Yes, I'll wait for you. Oh, come. Butu, calm down.
Mama, what happened?
Oh, it's not Nchedo and her husband.
Felix is a good man. Whatever it is, Nchedo must be the cause.
Sezu.
Mama.
Were you there? You never.
Mama.
See, your sister can be very stubborn, but she's not troublesome. Oh, Mom, I know what she can do. Yeah. As it is, you have to go to the market and get me things. Oh?
Mama, I'm tired. I can't wait to leave this house.
I can't even wait for you to leave my house for me. I want you to go to your own house. Go and get married. Find your own husband. After all, Nchedo is married now. Nobody's controlling her in her husband's house. If you ever know Padomaka, I want you to go and get married. I'll come to your house from your house to Nchedo house. From Nchedo house back to your house. Madam,
I beg, no vex. I don't say I don't fuck up. But just give me this last chance. May at least the Keke give us. You know what will happen again. I will always give you your money. Thank you, madam. Madam, it will ever happen again.
Wait. On one condition.
Anything, ma. Anything.
My money go to Dikeh. I don't want your stories again, Abraham.
Madam, no single complaint at all. I promise you. Your money will always stay complete. I will bring everything come back.
Eh?
Thank you, madam.
Go from here, tell my security man.
Hey, madam, thank you. I appreciate it. Madam, hey, madam. Thank you, madam.
Thank you, ma.
Thank you, madam.
How are you doing?
I'm fine. Welcome.
I can see this your waist pain is really going.
Yes, so those drugs you bought, they're very effective. It's okay.
It's alright, if they're finishing, just let me know so I can get you more.
I will. And you came for more important issues. So what is the problem?
Mama, it's Nchedo.
Nchedo what?
Yes. She has stormed my house to an Agbedu party. I am telling you, Nchedo now dressed like an Agbedu. She fights everywhere she goes. The other day, I had to go to the police station to bail her because she was in a fight with somebody. I don't understand Nchedo again. Nchedo started driving Keke in my house as a business. I have been begging this girl to stop this nonsense and find something suitable for women. You know, some suitable, nice business women do. And engage in. I will sponsor, but she said no. Because I know she's a girl that does not like to stay in one place.
Tell me what. She can't stay in a place. You said Keke.
Mama, Keke, oh. Keke, this
I know Keke now.
In Aga. Hey. I have been begging this girl, stop this thing, but she will not listen. She will not listen.
I know what you can do. I'm not surprised. I know what she can do. Don't be angry. But I will talk to her.
You have to talk to her because she's embarrassing me. She has embarrassed me everywhere. What more than my name, Mama? Yes, I have tried to talk to her. I've tried to call people. I have reported her to the pastor, reported her to the pastor's wife, told everybody, but still she will not listen. Mama, you need to see my house the other day. I came back, I could not enter. They came in convoy. Convoy. Keke everywhere. Thousands of Keke, Mama. That's what she's running. She has turned my house to a park.
Okay, food is ready. Obim, the food you requested for is ready. I've served it.
What protein did you use?
Chicken.
What kind of chicken?
Oleya, your favorite chicken.
Why Oleya? So if I finish eating this Oleya, now which strength will I have to do that thing inside the room? Why didn't you get me broiler?
I'm sorry. I'm sorry, please manage it. Manage it. I've done everything you asked me to do, so you can at least touch me, your wife.
Everything, but not Oleya. Actual Oleya, Biko.
I'm sorry now, I'm sorry. Just manage it. Next time I'll buy broiler for you. Oh, please now.
Anyway, it's fine. A beggar has no choice. I will manage it.
You're not a beggar, you're my husband.
Please, please.
Let's go.
But hope you showered, if you had your bait, because I don't want to be perceiving chicken and Maggi when we are doing that, you know. Please. Eh?
Am I smelling?
No, I did not say you are smelling. You must have sweating down there now. You need to wash up. So I need to make that thing. I need to weigh only.
Okay, fine. I'll have a bath.
Good. Freshen up, yeah?
Let me bring your beer.
Okay, please bring it though.
I was actually at my in-laws' place. So, tell me about it.
So, we are looking at 5 billion naira worth of supply.
What?
Yeah.
That's a lot, bro.
Yeah, it's a lot, but this is a wonderful opportunity. But of course, I need you to look at the brighter side of it.
Which is?
Okay. If this thing goes out well, we're going to pull another stunt. But this time around, with the Honorable Minister. Maybe 3 times in a year. And we are going to be made for life. Bro, we'll make a whole lot of money. Trust me, this is huge. This is very huge, believe me.
Dude, I'm a businessman. I need time to think.
You what? No, we don't have time to think. Hey, we need to grab this opportunity. You don't have time to think. Let's grab it. What are you saying? Think. Let's grab it. And this is a life-changing opportunity. Bro, a life-changing opportunity standing before us. And you want to let it go like that?
How much do you trust this man?
101%. Let's drop this. We're gonna be made. Trust me. Let's drop it.
Thank you.
Just please. Okay. What is it?
There's this business Ndudi introduced me to.
Okay, what about this business? Is this something you have an idea about?
No, I don't, but Ndudi has knowledge of it. He said it's very lucrative. Yeah.
If it is too good to be true, then I think you should look deeper. But if not, then give it a thought.
I have. It's actually something I would like to try. Yeah.
You know, I trust you to take good decisions. You're very good with business.
Yeah. Meanwhile, I was with your mother today, at your mother's place. And she promised to be with us by the weekend.
Felix.
Yes.
Did you report me to my mother?
Oh yes, I did. I reported it to your mother. Do you rather I report you to the police?
Eh?
I did. I reported it to her.
Really?
How are you doing?
I'm fine.
Okay, welcome.
How are you?
I'm very well.
What are you feeding her with? See how grown she is.
Mama, Princess does not eat anything. You give her food now, she just pinch it and leave it there.
And she's this big.
Yes.
Hey.
That's the Lord's doing.
Mama,
I was actually on my way to go for workouts.
Okay.
Yes. We have to work out.
It's good. It's good. It's good.
Mama, the weekend is the only time I have to, work out, exercise my body.
So it's good for you.
Health as well.
It's good for you.
Yeah.
Where is Nchedo?
She went out. Yes. Mama, please make yourself comfortable. I have to go now, Mama. I'll see you when I come back. Yeah?
No problem.
You're welcome.
She's fine. She's fine. Big girl.
Where did they go? Johnson, I want to meet you. Come now. Nchedo, where are you? Nchedo, where are you? Did you do it? I had to use my last cash to buy chicken to prepare food for him. His favorite meal. How am I supposed to get pregnant if my husband does not touch me? Nchedo, I'm carrying the whole world on my shoulder. Ever since my husband lost his job as a bank manager, he has just changed to a difficult person. I'm owing everybody in my street, everybody. I can't even come out. I don't open my shop anymore because I don't have money to buy goods.
So, what did your husband do to help himself?
Okay. Absolutely nothing. I feed him, I clothe him, I shelter him, I do everything for him. And yet he blames me for his bad luck. He said I'm the cause of his bad luck. That's bad. Yes.
Mama, my mother, I have to go now. You have my number.
Yes, sir.
Call me. Make sure you call me.
I will.
It's good night. Bye-bye.
My regards to your husband and daughter.
Wow. This girl back then for school. The way she cover her book, I go to see this girl go there richer than the richest person in the world. Wow.
What do you call this one?
Unicorn Academy.
Is it?
Unicorn Academy.
Mama?
Hello. Hello.
Welcome.
Is this how you live a family every day?
Mama, now walk. Oh. Now walk. You know, so this is our work now. Our peak period now in the morning and the evening. If I rest finish now in the evening, I jump out again.
Nchedo, in fact, go and freshen up. We have a lot to talk about.
Mama, if not about my husband and I, forget Amo. Then they put match for husband and wife matter. Make you not use this settle.
So why go and freshen up first.
Princess, is that bad? Mama, I'm coming, eh?
Oh, I never hustle you.
That's princess for you.
Oh yeah, I had a meeting with the accountant, and from the look of things, like I told you, there is hope.
Really?
Yeah, there is hope.
That's a wonderful development. Things are going as planned.
Yeah.
So exactly. I think I should fix a meeting with the minister, and once he grants us the level, we hit the ground running.
But I think the meeting is long overdue. Why don't you fix it for Wednesday? Yeah.
Exactly. Once I fix the meeting, I will make reservation for 2.
Good. Very good. In that case, we'll just chill here and have great fun. We need to celebrate.
Since you don't want to go
home. My mother-in-law came. I just want to give them daughter and mother time.
Mother-daughter time to discuss your matter. To deliberate on your matter.
Maybe.
That's good.
Man.
Then we're going to eat. We'll make a lot of fun.
Mama, I am just going to say this once. And I mean it. You see this my Keke business? I love it. And I am proud of it. I'm not going to stop it.
But your husband does not like it.
Mama, I am not my husband. He does not have to like it. Moreover, there are things he does that I do not also like. But am I going to stop him? No.
Nchedo, I am your mother. I will not deceive you. I have been married before I gave birth to you. I've experienced the ups and downs of marriage. I won't deceive you. Wives are meant to respect, honor their husband, be submissive. Your family first. So, what I am saying is this. If your husband does not like what you are doing, change it.
Okay. Welcome.
Did you cook anything?
I'm still cooking. How was your day? Any luck?
No luck. I'm really tired. I'm tired of this life. There is nothing working out for me. I don't know why what is happening.
It's okay. God's time is the best. He will do it at his own time.
God's time is the best. That's what you keep saying. That's the only thing inside this your head. God's time is the best. God's time is the best. When will it happen? Till I die first?
Don't worry. Obin, you won't believe it. On my way back in the morning, I ran into an old secondary school friend. This one is a small place, so very small one.
Did you tell her your husband is searching for a job? At least she could have connections now, fix me in a place. So at least I'll be doing something.
I didn't even bother about that one. Nchedo is a Keke rider. She rides Keke for a living. I'm not surprised at her. She has always been one very dull student back then. She's a typical example of beauty with no brain. Nothing upstairs.
So leave down.
Just imagine, see the kind of person you have as a friend. Eh? The Keke driver. And you're here telling me you saw your friend. I was even thinking you saw someone reasonable safe. One neighbor, go and get me something to eat. Go and check the food. I'm really famished. Okay, so you met your friend.
Just professional.
In the way you get friend, Keke driver. Useless woman.
Oh, wow. I think I never have smooches with you.
Nchedo, I did not raise you up to be unreasonable. Ezioku, God has used you to wipe away tears from our faces. All those that said that nothing good can come out of a man Ngozi and her children's life, today their mouths has been sealed. Thanks to you. Do not allow them to laugh at you. Pico. Oh, yeah.
Mama Ijoma? Mama Ijoma? My friend, come outside here.
Customer.
Keep your face to yourself. Where's the money you bought on credit in my shop?
I thought I would pay tomorrow.
You will pay? Is she the owner of the shop that you go and buy credit from her? Is she the owner of the shop?
Yeah, because I normally buy credit from you. That is your shop. So when I met your guy, I said, okay,
you normally buy credit from me. You now buy credit on her. Is she the owner of the shop?
No, she's not, but you're the owner now.
Madam, go and bring my money. I don't have time for this. Go and bring my money now, beg. I don't have time for this.
Now, so that you open now.
I need my money. You want me to call neighbors? No. I need my money.
Mama, what is it? What is it, you?
Is it not your useless mother that came to my shop?
You are very stupid. What is it?
Your mother came to my shop to buy things on credit. She has not paid. I want to collect my money now.
How much is your money?
Until you don't get my, tell her now.
570 naira.
Take your money and go.
Hey, customer, oh, come.
Gold jewelries and look like all these big women in town. That is why you're calling me a liability.
Small money. That's what you call it.
Before God, it's small money. How much is the money?
Rocky, you are learned. You are literate. So why don't you go out there, get yourself a job, earn your small money, take care of yourself? I am tired.